Hello, everybody. We are back with another visual pattern challenge. So this time, what are these things? Some little acorns with faces, maybe, or little apples with faces. But we've got them in these ever-increasing X patterns, and your job is to figure out how many of these little, I'm going to call them acorns. How many of these acorns are going to be in figure 4? And then, if you can do that, how many in figure 43? And could you write an equation to figure out the number of acorns in any figure at all? So that's the challenge. If you'd like to accept that, stop the video and give it a shot. All right, so let's see if we can just look at this and figure out what's going on. I'm going to think about this one in the middle as kind of separate, and then think about the 4 arms. So here we have arms that are 2 acorns long. Here we have arms that are 4 acorns long. So it looks like they added 2 acorns to each arm. Let's see if that continues in the next one. So these were 4 long, 2, 4. Yeah, so it looks like they added 2 more acorns onto each arm. I think that's what's going on. So that looks to me like it's going to be a linear pattern. If I were to predict figure 4, I would just add 2 more acorns to every arm. How many would that be? So we've got arms that are 2, 4, 6, 8 long. So 8 times 4 would be 32, plus 1 more would be 33. So I think step 4 should have 33 of these acorns. All right, let's put these numbers in a chart though, so we can analyze this and verify that this is really a linear pattern. So we've got the step number and the number of acorns. In step 1, we've got 2 times 4 plus 1, that's 9. Here we've got 4 times 4 plus 1, and that is 17. And here we've got 4 times 6, so that's 24 plus 1, and that's 25. And then in step 4, we're predicting 33. Once we've got the numbers listed out like this, we like to find the difference between each step. So 17 minus 9, that'd be 8. 25 minus 17, that would be 8. And 33 minus 25, that would also be 8. So this is indeed a linear pattern. When the difference between each step is the same, you know the pattern is linear. And if you have a linear pattern, you can use the equation for a line, y equals mx plus b, to model that. The m, the slope of the line, is going to be the change from step to step. So our equation should be y equals 8x, and then there might be a plus something or maybe a minus something to make it work out with the numbers you've got. X is going to represent the step number or the figure number. So let's try it with the first one. If we just had y equals 8 times the figure number, 8 times 1 would be 8, and there are 9 here, so we just have to add 1 more. So let's add 1 to our equation. Now let's try out this equation with step 2. So y equals 8 times step 2 plus 1. That would be 16, 17. Yeah, that's how many acorns we counted there. How about step 3? Y equals 8 times step 3 plus 1. That would be 24, 25. And yes, that's how many we figured in step 3. So it looks like our equation is y equals 8x plus 1. Very good. Now we can use that to predict the number of acorns in figure 43. So y equals 8 times 43 plus 1. So 8 times 43, I'm going to try to do this in my head. 8 times 40 would be 320. And 8 times 3 would be 24. So this is 344 plus 1. So we've got 345 silly looking acorns in figure 43. Well, how did that go? Did you get 33 for figure 4 and 345 for figure 43? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.